So I'm not an attorney or a CPA, but I'll tell you what I do. And when you buy property for your own, so your property, primary residence, it's good to buy it in your own name and get the proper insurance and umbrella insurance, etc. And when it's an investment property, you buy it in an LLC, and the LLC should be where that state is. So if you're in California and you have two properties, one is your home, it's in your name, and one is an investment property, an LLC in California. You're adding another property, let's say in Wisconsin, put an LLC in Wisconsin, and it will flow through to you in California. So that's just the proper way to do it. And of course, is there a follow-up question to this?
No, that was his only question.
Okay, so of course, the ideal scenario would be that you also use the asset protection program we have. You can go to kmagb.com. You may want to put that in the chat, Ashley. There is a little animation video of 3 minutes. It explains to you how, when you have properties, to protect yourself beyond the insurance coverage in case anybody want to go to get your equity, they want to sue you, collect from the insurance $1 million or $500,000, whatever coverage you have, and they want to sue you for an additional $1 million. The way to do it is use the structure we have. It's extremely powerful. A couple of days ago, I was presenting at a big CPA's office with high net worth people, and they just loved it. And there were a lot of attorneys and other very high net worth people. It's stripping the equity using a Wyoming LLC. I've explained it before, but take a look at that video. You will see how powerful it is.